Choosing the right website plan ensures you have the features you need for your site. You can invoice clients and sell products, content, and memberships on any plan. As you upgrade, your fees will decrease and you'll receive more features such as in-depth commerce analytics and form integrations. With all of our plans, you can use our drag and drop editing system to lay out your content, add pages to navigation menus, upload galleries of images or videos, and more. You can also monetize your site by selling unlimited products, sending invoices and proposals, and selling courses and memberships. The basic plan is well suited to smaller sites with 1 or 2 contributors. If you're an individual or small group looking to run a small online shop, invoice customers for custom services, hide your content behind a paywall, display work, write a blog, or establish a basic web presence, the basic plan is a good option. For more substantial sites, choose the core plan to invite unlimited contributors and use premium features like custom code and built-in integrations with third-party services. If you need extensive content or a team of editors or admins, the core plan is an affordable way to create and manage a site. The Plus plan includes all features in the basic and core plans, plus a decrease in fees and an increase in video storage. For larger e-commerce stores that process many orders, the Advanced plan is a good option due to low transaction fees. It includes all features in the Basic, Core, and Plus plans, plus no commerce transaction fee, no digital product fee, and unlimited video storage. For a full list of features on each plan, visit the pricing page linked in the description. You can also purchase a Squarespace domain to reserve a URL without building a full site. The domain will redirect to a parking page, a standard minimalist design with your domain in the center and a Squarespace logo in the top corner. Depending on when you started using Squarespace, your site may be on a personal, business, or commerce plan. These legacy plans are variations of the current offerings, and your site will continue to be on this plan unless it expires, is canceled, or changed to a new plan. Finding the right plan is important, and Squarespace gives you options, no matter what your goal is for your online presence. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.